In this video, we show how you can create named queries for a list control. So you can see here we have a list control that's based on Northwind customer table, and we've got some named queries here, one called London, one called Paris, and one called Clear Search. So if we click on London, you can see we apply a filter to the list to select just records that are based in London. And then if we go to Paris, obviously we go to just select records that are in Paris, and then Clear Search, we do that. So this is the named query selector, and this can either be rendered as radio buttons or as a drop down. So let's go back here and to the list. And if we scroll down here, we see there's a new property here called has named queries. Then if we open up the builder here, we can see that we can position the named queries, the selector, either at a placeholder, or we can specify the ID of a div control. So if we want to specify a div control to position the named query selector, we can easily do that. Then the type can either be radio buttons or drop down. So we'll go there and choose drop down, and then we can see we can use language tags in the selector. So I'm going to just go there, and let's go here and run it now. So if I go into working preview, we'll see that we've changed the select now to a drop down. And if I go there to say Paris, we'll select records in Paris, and there's London. So let's go back and take a look at how we define these named queries. So we go back here, go into the list, go down to named query definition. And if we want to add a new named query, let's go here and add in, say, Madrid. And then we can go and define a filter. So we can open up the builder, and then we can go here to the Genie. And I'll go here and say that the city is equal to, and then I'll go and choose a value. So I'll go and choose Madrid. And that needs to be in single quotes because it's a literal value. So there's our filter. Let's just go ahead and click OK. So there's our filter Madrid. And now if we go and run this now, we'll see that there's a new option in the list of available named queries. So if we go down there and choose Madrid now, we'll see that there's records in Madrid. So the ability to create named queries allows you to easily give your users the ability to apply complex queries to the list by just making a selection from either a set of radio buttons or a list. Now you can also directly embed the selector into the list itself. So I'm going to go here now to this placeholder and wrap it in a injectable container. So I'm going to go there to container and choose injectable. So I've got this placeholder wrapped in an injectable container. And now I'm going to go to the list itself and go to the has fixed header property, turn that on. And I can go here, let's just delete what's there and say insert content from an injectable container, and then choose injectable one, and there we have that over there. So now if we go and we run this list, what we should see is that the selector is embedded directly into the list here, creating the appearance of a richer list control. Thanks very much for watching.